Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, I'm back at the bench working on the 67 Mustang, and it occurred to me that I wanted to show you guys something. I know there's quite a few people working on the 67 Fastback for the Mustang 60 group build, and I also know that this kit comes with inherent problems. One of those problems is that the front wheels protrude out from the wheel wells just slightly, and it kind of looks crappy with that stance. So I want to show you what I'm doing to remedy that situation. Stick around. Alright, you're going to have to bear with me. Nothing is glued in place. It's just mocked up. But I want to show you, if you could see that here. Okay? And then when we hold them where they're supposed to go, they don't protrude from the wheel wells. Okay? And when they're all glued into place and everything's where it's supposed to be, it's not going to look too bad. Okay, that one's a little bit floppy. Like I said, nothing's glued in place. Everything is just there. So it's going to work out good. So let me show you what I'm doing to fix that. And I can get it apart now. Pop these wheels off. Of course, that's going to pop off now, right? All right. Let me be careful with this because I don't want to break this thing. That would not be good. That's stuck on the spindle. Let's remove the spindle so I don't bust the spindle off. Alright. Alright. So first, what I've done here is you can see that I've shaved down the wheel insert here. Okay, now comparatively speaking, this is what it looks like right out of the kit, painted up black. Put these on my finger, you'll be able to see a little bit better. So you can see the size difference here. I shaved them down pretty substantially. You'll also notice that the backs are shaved down quite a bit too. Right, and how I did that was I just put them in the wheel back like this, and I ran them on sandpaper. But the other thing you'll notice, let me find something to pop this back out. This will work better. One thing you notice on these wheel backs is I also took them down. You can see that lip on this wheel back as opposed to the lip on this wheel back is almost non-existent. Okay. One of the other things that I've done is I've sanded down the back of the wheel slightly. Just a little bit more to give it a little bit more clearance. So now when I put the wheel back together, it'll glue together and I'll be able to slide in there a little bit deeper into the wheel well without protruding, sticking out and making it look like a mud truck. Alright guys, like I said, shave these down a little bit, probably half size. I mean, look how, not even half size. Can you see the difference? And this is the major culprit right here. If you can fix this, you can alleviate some of that problem with the wheels sticking so far out from the wheel wells. So this is a major component right here. Alright guys, I hope this little tip helps you to get your wheels looking a little bit better and fitting where they're supposed to on the 67 Mustang Fastback for the Mustang 60 group build. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.